Welcome back, guys. It's part 2 of today's recipe. At first I made the pasta sauce. It's actually in the video, I'm pretty sure, below this one. Okay, but anyways, the last video I did, and today's recipe is called Mussels Fra Diavolo with angel hair pasta. Let me show you what you need. First off, you're gonna need some angel hair pasta, some fresh parsley, garlic, some chopped up bacon, salted water for your pasta, a pan for the mussels, and the pasta sauce I just made. Let's go. So first off, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to this water also to keep my pasta from sticking. And then I'm adding oil to this pan. We're gonna start off with our bacon. Oh, you know what? I got the mussels too. Maybe I should show y'all those. So these mussels are pre-cooked and frozen. I got them from BJ's. It comes with a pack of 2. I already ate 1 pack, so that's my second pack. About to finish off. And then right before this is almost done, chop up a little bit of garlic. And we're gonna open up the mussels too. So yes, you're gonna cook these frozen. Throw my garlic in there. Gonna add a little bit of water so it can steam. Turn it up. And cook those until they open up. So let's check these. And as you can see, my mussels have opened up. So I'm gonna turn these off. And my water is boiling for my pasta. So I'm gonna add my pasta. Oh, snap. That would have been horrible. I got fettuccine though. I like angel hair pasta with this. I'm gonna add a little bit because it's just for me. Like I said, my man's vegan, so he ain't gonna eat none of this. Chopsticks. Make sure all the pasta's in the water. Let that boil until al dente. Now I'm gonna drain the water off of my mussels. Not all of it though. Got the water off of my mussels. And I'm gonna add my pasta sauce. And then at this point, y'all can add some greens like some spinach or something, but that's what I chopped up the parsley for, so I'm just gonna put the parsley. Matter of fact, I'll make this a little bit easier on myself. Boom. Everything's covered. And it smells so freaking good. Stir the pasta so it don't stick together, but that's the point of the oil, keep them from sticking. Add my parsley. Isn't that pretty, guys? Ooh. So pretty. Let my pasta boil. Back to this. It's so beautiful. Yes, yes. I remember watching an episode of America's Worst Cook, and this lady said she know that her pasta is done when she take one out and she throws it on the wall and it sticks. I was like, what? I just taste it. Taste one of my pastas. Be careful because it is hot. It already doesn't feel like it's done, so. Like 1 more minute, that's it. Take a look at that, y'all. Tell me that don't look good. Got a little bacon in there. Lots of garlic. The homemade pasta sauce. Mussels. And all of them are open. Yes. I'm about to chow down, guys. Alright, so my pasta should be done. And my pasta is done. I'm not gonna put it back on the same eye. Now it's time for plating. Mussels Fra Diavolo. Tell me that don't look good, y'all. Tell me that don't look good. So I got my Mussels Fra Diavolo here, looking great. I got my mussel fork. Hold on, wait a minute. I can't do this with one hand. Some of this pasta. I'm gonna use a regular fork though. So I'm gonna get some right now real quick. So good. And that sauce is good. It's really good, guys. Got a piece of bacon. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Got a little mussel in there. This is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I do. It's delicious. Thank you for liking, comment, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll give a special shout out to my grandma and my mama. They've been like really liking and sharing and, you know, telling everybody about my page, and I really appreciate it. But Sweet Pea is out. Mussels Fra Diavolo. Y'all enjoy. Thank you. Peace.